What is a counterparty? Imagine you make a bet with your friend. You say gold prices will rise. Your friend says gold prices will fall. Both of you agree that after 6 months, the winner will receive money from the loser based on what actually happens. Now ask yourself, who is on the other side of the bet? Your friend? Without your friend, there is no bet. The same idea exists in derivatives. Every derivative contract has two sides. One side wants something, the other side agrees to provide it. The person or institution on the opposite side of the contract is called the counterparty. Let's take a forward contract. A wheat farmer wants to lock in a selling price. A bread manufacturer wants to lock in a buying price. The farmer is the counterparty to the manufacturer. The manufacturer is the counterparty to the farmer. Each party depends on the other for the contract to exist. In modern financial markets, the counterparty is often not an individual. It is usually a bank, a broker, a financial institution, a derivative dealer, etc. These institutions stand between buyers and sellers and helps facilitate transactions. The important thing to remember is a derivative is not something you do alone. There must always be another party willing to take the opposite side of the agreement. That other side is called the counterparty.